Hi friends, this video is to show you this foot massager of a Snailax. I'm using it in my work because it's a great product to use when you are so tired of your feet, or you can use it for your back too. Have two functions. There are the massage, and with this button you can control the velocity or the intensity of the massage that you will receive, and have the function of heat too, and the heating function control with this other button, and you can choose the temperature. So this is to power on and power off or turn it off, and I will show you how I use it in my work. I put it in my bag here. I love the intensity of the massage when I'm working because you can do all the things and receive a delicious massage at the same time. Feels so comfortable, is practical, is a super high quality and super lightweight. Have this protection that you can wash in your home, in your wash machine. And look, this red color is the indicator of the heat function. Now I'm gonna use it on my feet. You can put it in the, just put it in the floor. And put your feet here, and you can still working when you are using it. The noise is so imperceptible, and it's so comfortable. So this product is great for you if you need to rest when you are working or in your home or another activity. I highly recommend it. See you.